With all that bullshit, you can miss me. Fucking with these fuck niggas, it could get risky. With all that bullshit, you can miss me. Till my ass up, so you know when you can want mine. With all that bullshit, you can miss me. Fucking with these fuck niggas, it could get risky. With all that bullshit, you can miss me. Till my ass up, so you know what he got. To keep it real, yo, other hoes ain't fucking with me. I'm the baddest, on them beautiful, but they slightly under average. Gassing, shit like this gon' turn me to a savage. Cast it, while your words mismatching with your actions. You say I do too much, I'm showing you my passion. Now another nigga wanted her, this ass be asking if he could take your place and get active. But hasn't. At this point, I have to make it happen. With all that bullshit.